everyone, welcome back to Power Tool Review, your go-to channel for all the latest power tool news and reviews. Today we're exploring 19 new Makita power tools on Amazon that are perfect for professionals, DIY enthusiasts, and hobbyists alike. From cordless impact wrenches to brushless reciprocators and powerful circular saws, we'll cover the features, benefits, and what makes each tool stand out. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump in and see which Makita tools deserve a spot in your toolkit. Makita 18V Brushless Impact. The Makita 18V Brushless Impact delivers powerful torque and high efficiency for a variety of fastening tasks. Its brushless motor increases runtime and reduces maintenance compared to brushed models. Compact and lightweight, this impact driver is perfect for tight spaces while still delivering impressive performance. The variable speed trigger allows for precise control, and its ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use. Powered by an 18V lithium-ion battery, it provides long-lasting energy for multiple projects without slowing down. Durable construction makes it suitable for both professional job sites and DIY projects at home. With LED lights for visibility in dark areas, this impact driver combines power, precision, and convenience in one compact tool. Makita 12V Cordless Reciprocating. The Makita 12V Cordless Reciprocating Saw is ideal for precision cutting in tight spaces or smaller projects. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability, making it perfect for cutting pipes, wood, and plastic. Powered by a 12-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent power with minimal vibration. The tool features a variable speed trigger to adapt to different materials and tasks, ensuring smooth and controlled cuts. Its ergonomic handle improves comfort and reduces fatigue during extended use. Lightweight yet durable, this reciprocating saw is easy to transport and store. Whether you're working on DIY projects, home renovations, or light construction, this cordless tool provides efficiency, reliability, and precision without the hassle of cords. Makita 18-volt Impact Wrench. The Makita 18-volt Impact Wrench is a powerhouse for tightening and loosening bolts quickly and efficiently. Equipped with an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent power and long runtime, perfect for demanding tasks. The brushless motor enhances performance, reduces wear, and extends battery life. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable handling and precise control even during extended use. Compact design allows access to tight spaces without sacrificing torque. With multiple speed settings and LED illumination, it's easy to work in various conditions and environments. Durable and reliable, this impact wrench is ideal for automotive, construction, and DIY projects where speed, precision, and power are essential. A must-have tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Makita 18V Cordless Polisher. The Makita 18V Cordless Polisher makes finishing and polishing tasks fast and effortless. Its brushless motor delivers smooth, consistent power for a high-quality finish on vehicles, wood, or metal surfaces. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces user fatigue and allows precise control during detailed work. The variable speed dial lets you adjust the polishing speed to match the material and task. Powered by an 18V lithium-ion battery, it provides long runtime and reliable performance. Compact design allows access to tight areas without compromising control. Durable construction ensures it withstands regular use, making it perfect for professional workshops or home projects. With the Makita Polisher, achieving a smooth, professional finish has never been easier. Makita 36V Circular Saw. The Makita 36V Circular Saw is built for powerful, precise cutting across wood, plywood, and other materials. Its brushless motor delivers high cutting efficiency and extended runtime with minimal maintenance. Ergonomically designed, it provides excellent balance and reduces fatigue during long jobs. The saw's adjustable cutting depth and bevel angle allow for versatile applications, while the durable construction ensures reliability on demanding job sites. Powered by dual 18-volt batteries and a 36 36-volt setup, it delivers impressive power without the need for cords. With safety features and precise performance, this circular saw is ideal for professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts looking for efficient and clean cutting capabilities every time. Makita 18V Grass Shear. The Makita 18V Grass Shear makes garden maintenance quick, precise, and easy. Lightweight and cordless, it provides excellent maneuverability for trimming grass, edges, and small bushes. The 18V lithium-ion battery delivers long runtime, allowing you to finish tasks efficiently without interruptions. Its ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during extended use, while the sharp blades ensure clean, accurate cuts. Designed for both professionals and homeowners, it combines power, portability, and precision. Ideal for landscaping, trimming, and detail work, this tool helps maintain a polished, tidy yard. With the Makita Grass Shear, even large areas are manageable, and achieving a professional-looking finish has never been simpler or faster. Makita 18V Brushless Reciprocator. The Makita 18V Brushless Reciprocator delivers powerful cutting performance for wood, metal, and plastic. Its brushless motor increases efficiency and runtime while reducing maintenance. Compact and ergonomic, it allows users to work comfortably in tight spaces or awkward angles. Variable speed control lets you match power to the material for precise, clean cuts. Equipped with an 18V lithium-ion battery, it provides long-lasting power for multiple projects. Durable construction ensures reliability even under heavy use. Ideal for DIYers, contractors, or renovation projects, this reciprocating saw combines versatility, strength, and ease of use. With excellent maneuverability and consistent cutting performance, it's a dependable addition to any toolkit. Makita 18V Cordless Blower. The Makita 18V cordless blower makes cleaning yards, workshops, and garages effortless. Powered by an 18V lithium-ion battery, it provides strong airflow to move leaves, debris, and dust quickly. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle reduce fatigue during extended use, while the compact form allows easy maneuverability in tight spaces. Variable speed control gives precision for different cleaning tasks, and the durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability. Perfect for home or professional use, this cordless blower combines portability, power, and convenience. With quiet operation and reliable performance, maintaining clean spaces has never been easier. It's a practical, time-saving tool for anyone looking to streamline cleanup tasks efficiently. Makita 18V Cordless Wrench. The Makita 18V cordless wrench provides exceptional torque for fastening and loosening nuts and bolts with ease. Powered by an 18V lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent power and long runtime for demanding tasks. The brushless motor enhances performance, efficiency, and battery life. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and precise control, even during extended use. Compact and lightweight, it fits into tight spaces without sacrificing torque. With multiple speed settings and an LED light for visibility in dark areas, it's ideal for automotive work, construction, and DIY projects. Durable and reliable, this cordless wrench is a professional-grade tool that delivers speed, power, and convenience for every fastening task. Makita 18V Cordless Driver. The Makita 18V Cordless Driver is designed for efficient and precise driving of screws and fasteners. Its brushless motor maximizes efficiency and extends battery life, while the variable speed trigger provides control for delicate or heavy-duty tasks. Compact and lightweight, this driver is perfect for tight spaces and extended use without fatigue. The 18V lithium-ion battery ensures long runtime and reliable performance on any project. Ergonomic design enhances comfort and reduces strain, making it ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With durable construction, LED lighting for improved visibility, and consistent power, this cordless driver is a versatile, reliable, and essential tool for any workshop or job site. Makita 18V Cordless Ratchet. The Makita 18V cordless ratchet is ideal for fastening and loosening nuts and bolts in tight spaces. Its brushless motor delivers powerful performance with minimal maintenance, while the 18V lithium-ion battery ensures long runtime for extended projects. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it reduces user fatigue and provides excellent control for precision work. The ratchet features multiple speed settings, allowing you to adjust torque for various applications. LED lighting improves visibility in low-light conditions, making it suitable for automotive work, construction, and general DIY projects. Durable construction ensures reliability on tough job sites. With its combination of power, convenience, and efficiency, this cordless ratchet is a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike. Makita 18V Mini Reciprocator. The Makita 18V Mini Reciprocator offers precise cutting in compact areas where traditional saws can't reach. Powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent power and long runtime. Its brushless motor improves efficiency, reduces wear, and extends battery life. Lightweight and ergonomic, it minimizes fatigue during extended use and allows excellent maneuverability. The tool features variable speed control for optimal cutting performance on wood, plastic, and metal. Compact size and durable construction make it perfect for DIY projects, renovations, or professional use. With quick blade changes and reliable performance, this mini reciprocator is a versatile and indispensable tool for anyone who needs precision and efficiency in tight spaces. Makita 18V Cordless Inflator. The Makita 18V Cordless Inflator is a versatile tool for inflating tires, sports equipment, and air mattresses quickly and efficiently. Powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent airflow without the hassle of cords. Its compact, lightweight design allows for easy handling and portability. The inflator features multiple pressure settings and an automatic shutoff function to ensure accurate inflation. Ergonomic grips provide comfort during use, and built-in LED lights improve visibility in dark or low-light areas. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance for repeated use. Ideal for homeowners, vehicle owners, and outdoor enthusiasts, this cordless inflator combines convenience, precision, and reliability for a wide range of inflation tasks. Makita 18-volt Hammer Driver. The Makita 18-volt hammer driver combines drilling and hammering power for tough materials like concrete and masonry. Its brushless motor delivers maximum torque and efficiency while extending battery life. Powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it provides long runtime and consistent performance. The hammer driver features multiple speed and torque settings for precise control in a variety of applications. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it reduces user fatigue during extended use. LED lighting improves visibility in dim conditions, enhancing accuracy. Durable construction ensures reliability on demanding job sites. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this hammer driver provides the perfect balance of power, precision, and comfort for drilling and fastening tasks. Makita 18V Multi-Tool. The Makita 18V Multi-Tool is an all-in-one solution for cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding. Powered by an 18V lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent performance for a variety of tasks. Its brushless motor increases efficiency and extends battery life, while the ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during prolonged use. Variable speed control allows precise operation on wood, metal, and other materials. Quick accessory changes save time, making it highly convenient for DIY or professional projects. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for tight spaces and detailed work. Durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Whether you're renovating, crafting, or repairing, this multi-tool is a versatile and essential addition to your toolkit. Makita 18-volt Impact Wrench. The Makita 18-volt impact wrench delivers high torque for loosening and tightening bolts effortlessly. Its brushless motor ensures efficient performance, reduced maintenance, and longer battery life. The 18-volt lithium-ion battery provides consistent power for extended use on demanding tasks. Ergonomically designed, it offers comfort and control during long jobs, while its compact size allows access to tight spaces. LED illumination improves visibility in dark or confined areas. Multiple speed settings ensure precision for various applications, including automotive work and construction. Durable construction makes it a reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This cordless impact wrench combines power, efficiency, and convenience in a single, high-performance tool. Makita 18-volt Mid-Torque Impact. The Makita 18-volt mid-torque impact is ideal for medium-duty fastening tasks, delivering precise torque without overdriving screws. Its brushless motor improves efficiency, extends battery life, and reduces wear. Powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it offers long runtime for extended projects. Lightweight and ergonomic, it provides comfortable handling and control during prolonged use. The tool features variable speed settings and an LED light for accurate work in dim conditions. Compact design allows access to tight spaces, making it versatile for construction, woodworking, and general DIY projects. Durable and reliable, this mid-torque impact driver combines precision, convenience, and power in one essential cordless tool. Makita 18V Framing Nailer. The Makita 18V framing nailer is perfect for heavy-duty woodworking and construction projects. Its brushless motor delivers powerful performance for driving nails quickly and efficiently. Powered by an 18V lithium-ion battery, it provides consistent energy for long periods of use without cords. Ergonomic design ensures comfort and reduces fatigue during extended jobs, while lightweight construction allows easy maneuverability. Adjustable depth settings provide precise nail placement for professional quality results. Durable construction ensures it withstands rigorous job site conditions. Whether you're building frames, decks, or furniture, this cordless framing nailer combines power, efficiency, and reliability. It's an essential tool for contractors and serious DIY enthusiasts who demand consistent performance. Makita 18V Impact Wrench. The Makita 18V Impact Wrench is a robust tool designed for high-torque fastening and loosening tasks. Its brushless motor improves efficiency, reduces maintenance, and extends battery life. The 18-volt lithium-ion battery delivers consistent power for professional and DIY projects. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it offers comfort and control during extended use. Multiple speed and torque settings allow precise operation across automotive, construction, and home projects. LED illumination ensures visibility in low light or tight areas. Durable construction guarantees long-lasting reliability even in demanding conditions. With its combination of power, portability, and efficiency, this cordless impact wrench is an essential addition to any toolkit for anyone needing reliable fastening performance. That's a wrap on our review of the 19 new Makita power tools on Amazon. From versatile cordless impact wrenches to powerful circular saws and multi-tools, Makita continues to deliver tools that combine performance, precision, and durability. Whether you're tackling home projects, professional construction, or DIY renovations, these tools can make your work faster and easier. Don't forget, all the links to check prices and more details are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Power Tool Review, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest top product reviews.